season after season, time after time, Staple Ease Staple Pro Driver from EcoTurf will save you time, reduce the cost of labor, and deliver a quality installation and a safe job site. Its ergonomic design creates much less strain on the user's back, reducing injury, fatigue, and workers' compensation claims. Now you can install erosion blanket, turf sod, or even drip irrigation lines with the available drip attachment without having to hammer on your knees. No matter what the surface conditions, from soft soils to hard, rocky, or even frozen ground, count on the durable Staple Pro Driver to get the job done faster. Its single-load system means no special, hard-to-find staples, and you'll spend less time clearing jams. Using any standard U-shaped 11-gauge steel staple, you'll be able to staple every 3 to 5 seconds, reducing installation time up to 75%. That means huge savings at your bottom line. We make Staple Ease Staple Pro Driver in the USA and back them with our 1-year warranty. EcoTurf, providing American-made products to benefit the green industry.